Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to configure a flat discount scheme in rupees in Logic ERP. To set this up, navigate to Menu. Under Configuration, click to open the Setup Scheme campaign window. First, click on Refresh. Then, enter the scheme campaign name and define the date range during which the scheme will remain active. Once done, save the changes. Moving on, go to the Group Options tab. Select the scheme campaign and click on the Refresh button. Define the group name and choose whether you want to include fresh items or not. Press the space key in the scheme group type column. From the drop-down list, select the desired option on which the scheme will be applied. After saving the changes, proceed to the next tab called Scheme Groups. Here, you will see the scheme group name displaying the scheme you just created. Then, using the Select Item Group option, choose the group or category to which you want this scheme to be applied. Lastly, click on Save button. The selected item group will be displayed in the grid, which indicates that the scheme has been successfully set up for that particular category. Moving on to the next step in the scheme setup, you now need to configure the slab details for the scheme campaign. To do this, go to the Configuration section from the menu and click to open the Scheme Campaign Slab Details window. Firstly, select the scheme campaign. After that, select the scheme basis, which includes two options, quantity or value. Then, define the minimum quantity or value at which the scheme will be applied. Since we want to offer the scheme in rupees, we first need to enable the relevant column from the Setup column attributes. Here, you will find the Schemes in rupees column. Tick this option, and it will start appearing in the slab grid. Now, define the slab value as 39.99, and in the scheme rupees column, enter 200. This means that whenever the bill's gross value reaches 3,999 rupees or more, a scheme discount of 200 rupee will be applied automatically. Once done, save the changes. Now let's see how the scheme works in the sale bill. Open the sale bill touchscreen window and create a new customer. Scan or enter an item from the T-shirt category for which the scheme has been configured. The bill value is around 5,000 rupees. When you click Save, a window will appear showing the available discounts. Since the scheme criteria have been met and the customer has shopped for more than 3,999 rupees, the system displays the 200 rupee scheme discount. Tick the checkbox to apply it, and you will see that the 200 rupee discount has been successfully applied to the bill.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.